Well, good afternoon everyone, and boy have I got a treat for you today. We are here in Los Gigantes in this brand new development called Crystal. We've got the developer here, we've got one of the owners here, and I'm going to show you everything about it, get loads of information for you as well, and tell you how you can stay here if you want to. It's absolutely stunning. I am blown away. The views, everything is, I can't wait to show you. So we'll head in, we'll have a little chat with the developer Ruan, and they give you loads of information, but the views are absolutely amazing. So starting off just out here on the terrace before we head on in, just to give you an idea of the aspect of where we are. This little plunge pool here, the sunbeds, the views, just to give you an idea. Absolutely phenomenal up here. Okay, so we're here with the developer. Absolutely spectacular scenery here. So tell us all a little bit about it, about the development, how it started.
Okay, I've been in Los Gigantes 44 years now, and when I came I looked up at this plot of land for many years and saw it as a piece of land for the future. In 2016 I had the opportunity to buy the land, and we wanted to build the first 5-star development in Santiago del Teide. So we started building actually in 2020 in July, and here we are now towards the end of 2022, and we're just coming to completion. There's 19 luxury units here on a plot of land where neighbour sites have 60 to 80 units. So there's nothing of this scale in the area. This is truly a 5-star experience, because if you was to come and stay in this area, you might stay in a 5-star, the local 5-star hotel, in a room which is 65 square meters. You come here, this has got 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, your own private pool, their own reception, the most spectacular views in the area, and nigh on 300 square meters. Wow. So
a lot more living space.
A lot more living space, a lot more space for anybody to come and spend vacation here. They all have touristic license, so if you want to book in the future from 2023, crystallosgigantes.com is the site that you need to look at, and on there you'll see how to reserve, and you'll get all our information.
Fantastic. Well, just the views alone, absolutely spectacular across to La Gomera there. You've got the cliffs of Los Gigantes, you can see the harbour, the boats coming and going, the waves crashing up against the rocks, and then all while you have a little dip in the pool. That looks very inviting today.
At the moment, when you look out, you see 2 cranes. They'll before people move in here on holiday, those cranes will disappear. They're due to come down before the end of the year.
Perfect, so it won't interrupt the view. No. But yeah, I'm very tempted to jump in there. It's very hot today. It's currently 25 degrees. It's just absolutely stunning. I can't see wait to see the rest inside.
Yeah. Have a walk round and have a look at the accommodation.
Thank you very much. So just walking through here, I was just amazed by the level of finish, all of the detail. Every single view gave you an aspect out to the ocean. Stunning views, even from the shower. You could look out and take a look at the views while you had a shower. Even through the back there, you can see all the original volcanic rockwork that the foundations were built on. That will all be lit up at night if you want it. Absolutely stunning through the glass there. The his and hers sinks, just the level of finish was amazing, but the aspect looking out across to La Gomera really set the tone. The blue skies, the blue ocean, stunning. So into bedroom number 2 now. You've got these 2 nice single beds, and again, doors straight out, full glass. You've got the full view there, and you can literally step out your bedroom onto the patio here, check out the views, straight little dip in the pool, sit with your coffee of a morning, Enjoy the views out. La Gomera, Gigantes, just views. Everywhere you look in this apartment, there is views everywhere. Absolutely stunning. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I've never seen anything quite like this. All your air conditioning, of course, all built in. Stuff for dreams in here. Absolutely stunning. Okay, so Mum and Dad have come along with me and had a little look around while I've been filming the B-roll. Thoughts? What do you think?
Absolutely stunning.
Spectacular, isn't it?
Spectacular.
Ultra modern, clean lines.
Open plan.
Yeah, very large, open plan. Every single room has got a view, you notice. And every single room you can step out straight onto the balcony without going into the living area.
Panoramic view. I mean, obviously, you know, the cranes are going to go one day.
Cranes will be going, but
down to the harbour. Look at this.
Absolutely everything. See the boats coming and going. I love it. Absolutely love it.
I mean, you could spend many happy hours here, couldn't you? Having your lunch, drinking coffees, a little cocktail.
Well, not only that as well. One key thing to note is this is facing out to the sunset, so you will get a sunset every single night from here. Especially even when it goes down below Los Gigantes, La Gomera there, sorry, you will get stunning sunsets from here. Have a little sunset drink, dip in the plunge pool.
Top spec.
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely.
And they are going to be developing Crystal 2 as well, just next door. But yeah, this is for 2023. I wouldn't mind spending a little night here with Laura. You look down at night time, you'd see all the twinkling lights on the boats. Absolutely stunning.
Is the sheer rock face where they've cut into the rock.
Yeah.
And they're going to do like patio bits out there, and then a green wall with all greenery.
Yeah.
And then lit up.
Nice. Very nice. Every little detail's thought of in here.
Absolutely.
Fabulous.
So we'll work with a little iPad. People will arrive at reception, they get a cool towel, they'll get a cold drink, a glass of cava or a beer or an orange juice, water, whatever they want. And then they'll be directed to their suite. They'll come here and just say that Mr. and Mrs. Jones are here for their 20th wedding anniversary. When the door opens, on the glass here will be written, Happy Wedding Anniversary, Mr. and Mrs. Jones. And when the lady comes in to clean at night, she'll wipe that off. Yeah. Just for a start. I get it.
This is all the original rock built into the building here. They've left it in as a feature. This is all natural, not fake. And then just looking down, this is going to be the reception area here. There's a lot of finishing touches to do. This will all light up at night time. All the nice glass banisters. But yeah, this is proper, real natural rock that they've built in as a feature. And I really like that. Really cool feature that is. A little bit of a communal area here. They're going to have all nice plant pots and different features going in here. Obviously a few final touches to be made, and then this is a nice shared communal pool if you want a bit more of a swim. Nice, you can do nice laps up and down here. Look at that with the palm trees as well. Extra sunbeds if you want to all just chill down here together as a family. And you've still, even on this level, got spectacular views, but nice privacy with the palm trees as well at the same time. As we mentioned, these cranes will be going. We are the first ones to see and show this, so we are very, very lucky here to be having a look around here. So do please let me know in the comments. Do please give a thumbs up as well. We'd love to try and come back and tour it again once all the final finishes are done. Maybe even stay a night. Who would like that? Wow. These are €1 million plus apartments here. We are very, very lucky to be having a look around. Very kind of them to invite us down to show you all. We love the way, look at that, the way it just continues down the rock work. This is all natural, this bit here, but the way they've incorporated it in, absolutely fantastic design. Very clean, very clinical. But stunning views, stunning. And there is a big market for this. We are heading into more 5-star resorts, so there is a big market for all of this. So as I mentioned, these start at €1 million plus. Absolutely phenomenal. And to stay here is going to be around €500 a night. That is for a 2-bedroom apartment. Obviously the prices will go up online. They've still obviously got the final touches to make. I think you can make reserve from 2023. I will leave the link in the description if you're interested in having a look, even just to come and show you all this spectacular resort. Absolutely amazing. I understand it will be a lot of people's budgets, but just to show you and have a look around out of interest is phenomenal, especially to be here with, you know, the man himself who's come up with all the ideas, who's behind it all. Love the rock work, the way that's featured in. Absolutely stunning. But of course, let me know your thoughts in the comments. If these videos do well, then hopefully we might be invited to other places just to have a look out of interest. It's absolutely spectacular. It's like something you'd see on the Producer Michael channel, this. Unbelievable. But of course, some of you might have a market for this if you're coming on a special occasion, a honeymoon or a big family celebration. You know, spread the cost. It could well be something of interest to you as well. You've got the private parking underneath, so you can park your car away. Nice and easy in the shade. They've got a full underground car park down there. But yeah, just the views. I mean, you could just stay here and not even go down into Gigantes if you wanted, but spectacular. So I'm here now with Benoit, who very kindly invited us out today. You sent me an email to come and show it, and his apartment is going to be available for rental. What number was your apartment?
That would be 4.1, Andrew.
4.1, and you can check it out. I will leave the email address down in the description.
Couple more weeks.
Yeah, a couple more weeks should be good to. How long are you here enjoying this for?
That will be only 10-12 days, I'm afraid. So,
10-12 days,
yeah.
and then you're back.
We will be back in February. So.
Yeah. Well, we'll keep in touch. I'll come back again when everything's all finished. We'll enjoy a drink. But I want to thank you on the camera for inviting us down, because I'm sure a lot of people have enjoyed watching it and will probably be interested in
I've enjoyed your videos,
staying.
so please keep doing them for sure.
Thank you very much.
Sure.
We're just having another look here at one of the penthouses. So this is a slightly bigger one on a lower floor, and it's absolutely huge inside. I'm going to quickly walk you through inside. This is slightly different to the first one that we showed. This is about 1.25 million, this one. It's absolutely stunning. Let me just show you inside, even bigger. We've got the living area here, which leads on into the kitchen in the back. Huge TV. And I'll just show you one of the bedrooms just here. Again, all got stunning views out into the ocean, loads of storage space, big comfy beds, and then that leads into your nice walk-in shower. Again, I love that floor-to-ceiling feature with the his and hers sinks. And then look at that, if you do want to have a nice bath, you can enjoy a bath there. You've still got the views out. Beautiful. And then I'm going to carry on through to the other side. Similar kitchen to the last one, all your nice Neff appliances. Washer dryer in there, and I'm going to carry on through and just show you the other bedroom just here. Again, all has that lovely view with the doors that lead straight out. And then again, big walk-in bathroom. Nice big hot tub there to have a little bath in. Walk-in shower if you don't fancy a bath. And then this one also does have the large walk-in closet. Absolutely stunning. So me and Laura will have to get saving a little bit more, I think. Absolutely stunning, these are stunning. Okay, well, there you go. That concludes our little visit here to Crystal. This is phase 1. Phase 2 is going to start to be built very soon. I'll include a few pictures of that as we chat. Overall, absolutely amazing, blown away. Love it. Some people will absolutely love it. Some people might not fancy the design of it. Personally, I really like it. Love the views you've got. There is a market for it here in Gigantes as well. I love the off-street parking, but I love the way every single room has got a view out and also access out onto that patio. Stunning. What are your thoughts overall?
Fantastic. Love the bathrooms. The bathrooms are huge.
Massive.
Ultra modern development, isn't it? With all the things you expect from something so modern.
Yeah.
You know, the kitchen, the bathrooms, they're just the spec.
Remote control
And
blinds.
as he
that
said,
come down.
they're huge 2 bedrooms. On other plots, that would be like a 4 or 5 bed. That they'd just cram them in, wouldn't they?
Yes.
Absolutely,
Yeah.
absolutely.
Yeah.
No, it is absolutely spectacular. Let me know your thoughts in the comments if we should come back and film it again at night time when the restaurant's going to be opening in phase 2. They're going to have a nice bar. It's going to be absolutely stunning. So let me know your thoughts. A big thank you to the lovely couple for inviting us down as well.
Yep.
If you did enjoy it, please do consider subscribing. I'm going to include the links in the description to some of the other hotel and apartment tours that we've done on the channel before. I will leave the link as well to these apartments if you're interested in making a reservation. But that's it from us. Please do give a thumbs up. Let me know and stride on.
See you guys.
Bye.